So this is a HeartSine defibrillator. This particular model is called the 360p, which is their fully automatic version. They also do the 350p, which is the semi-automatic, which just means it has a shock button in the middle, and the 500p, which is a semi-automatic, but with really advanced CPR feedback. It's a superb public access defib. We find it very, very popular with communities and businesses alike. So this unit, it comes in a really nice carry case. It's a very neat small unit, actually out of its case. This back bit, it works on a pad pack system. So this unit here just slots straight in. This is both batteries and pads in one unit. This means it's a really cheap device to maintain. It's only £105 to replace the pad packs, which gives you a set of adult pads, which is anything over 8 years old or 25 kilograms in weight. And the battery, they last 4 years, so you're getting really good life out of them as well. So it's really cost effective, which is one of the other reasons why it's so popular. So they literally just slot in. To remove them, there's just a little clip. The pads pull out at the bottom, and the device sits there nicely in this carry case. There's a Pediatric version of the pad pack as well, so you can slot that in the bottom, and that can, if it needs to. There's a nice back compartment on the case, so you can keep them in there along with a rescue ready kit if required. Check out our website for all your defib spares, and check out our other videos for how to maintain other makes and models of defibs.